fragile truth the night remakes. Her echoes linger in my chest, a ghost that never learned to rest. The wind still carries what she lost, a whispered vow beneath the frost. And though her fire lit the sky, the ashes ask me not to lie. I feel her heartbeat in the dark, a fading flame, a dying spark. But every step I take alone still leads me where her shadows groan, where shadows fall. I rise again, a fragile heart that learns to mend. Her echo guides me through the night, a silent pull beyond the light, where shadows fall. I carry her through it all. The world she left still breathes her name, a fragile hymn of loss and flame. I trace the